2025 began with wings over frozen waters. Sandhill cranes rising from the Nebraska plains, following a path older than memory. And I followed a different path that year, across Kansas, where oceans once covered the land, where shark's teeth still surface in the quiet pastures, past homes, churches, schools, and courthouses built by hands that believed the future mattered. I stood before Big Brutus, steel, coal, and consequences. A reminder that progress always leaves a mark. And then I walked, step by step with my brother, along the Camino de Santiago, a road shaped not just by feet, but by faith, doubt, and hope. This isn't a travel recap. It's a reflection on why this year mattered and how it quietly changed me. My YouTube journey began in February of 2020. When I did this first trailer for the Camino de Santiago, I was planning to go with two of my brothers and do the pilgrimage then. But COVID came in and that stopped everything. I did continue on with my hiking and I continued on doing videos. Living in North Carolina was a blessing. I could do the Mountain to Sea Trail. I went on the Aurora Trail, hiked up Burkhead Mountain just to get away. And that led me on to longer hikes. I went to Cumberland Island, spent time with friends there. And that was a preparation hike for going on the Appalachian Trail. Attempting to do that through hike, I got through the Smoky Mountains before family health problems caused me to come off trail. Later, I'd do sections in Roan Mountain and Pennsylvania. Look at that. It is pretty. Still going up. I did the Pinhoti Trail in Alabama, and there I met Sonny, or Nimblewheel Nomad. I did the Foothills Trail in South Carolina with Ken, PTL. And that was my favorite trail east of the Mississippi River. West of the Mississippi River, and my favorite trail of all times was the Wind River Range. Hiked that twice. And then went to Isle Royale. Hiked across the island in search of moose. Did see some wolves, but no moose. We moved to Kansas, and here I hiked the Cherokee Trail, the Flint Hills Trail, the Prairie Spirit Trail. And it was here that I would begin a new passion. A passion that would change me more than even hiking did. And it would slow me down to take in the beauties of nature and wildlife in a way that I had never seen before. And little did I know that photography would soon change me like few things have ever done before. Each year I try to have a theme for my videos. This year, I'm not only looking for a new theme, I'm completely overhauling the channel. Walking this road with me. If you've been here for a while, you're going to notice a small change going into 2026. Wandering Monk Hikes is becoming Monk Reflections. It's not a departure from the journey, it's a deepening of it. At the heart of this channel, it's always been about paying attention to nature, to history, and to the quiet moments that shape us. Moving forward, there's going to be more focus on nature and wildlife photography, slower storytelling, and a stillness that's only found in the outdoors. But the spirit of it all remains the same. The road is still here. I'm just learning to walk it at a little slower pace. So whether you came for the hikes, the journey, or the reflections along the way, you're still very much a part of this path, and I'm grateful that you're here. So it's sort of bittersweet. I'm saying goodbye to Wandering Monk Hikes, but it's also exciting because a new chapter is opening up, and I'm saying hello and welcome. Welcome to Monk Reflections. And as always, I hope you stay safe, stay healthy, stay on the path, and may God bless you.